Good afternoon, students. Previous class we have seen about Karna, the supplementary lesson. Previous one, that is the Treasure Island, that lesson has been deleted. I have told you in the previous class also. So we have seen how the birth of Karna. If you have seen the Mahabharata, it's very easy to understand. Who was Karna and why he has been entered in the arena. One side the Pandavas, that is Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, Sahadev. All these five are the Pandavas. Pandavas, that is Pandu, he had two wives. पांडु को भी दो पत्नियां थे, कुंती, एक कुंती और वन मोर इज माद्री. युधिष्ठिर, भीमा, अर्जुना और द सन्स ऑफ कुंती, and Nakula and Sahadeva are these two are the sons of Madri. So that's the reason Kunti is making lot of love to the Nakula and Sahadeva. Madri has been died when they went in the forest. So if you have seen Mahabharata means you can understand. So other side Pandavas, these are the Pandavas. Kauravas, Duryodhana, Dushasana, etc. One or one other. 100 male and 1 female. पूरे 100 थे कौरवास और एक फीमेल थी. So Karna is also the eldest son of the Pandavas. Karna, but nobody knows this. Afterwards they came to know. Here in the previous class we discussed that the arena has been arranged for the performance of all the Pandavas. So all they have performed. At last Arjuna has performed his archery and whatever he has been learned from the Guru, that is Kripacharya, and first Guru, that is Kripacharya, and Guru Dronacharya. Basically they learned something from the Kulguru, that is Kripacharya, and next everything they have been learned from the Dronacharya. So the arena has been fixed and it has been happened. We have seen in the next class. There is a war between how the Karna entered. We have seen in the last class. So when Karna entered, at once when Karna went to Duryodhana, I don't know I have told you in the last class or not. जब कर्णा बहुत ही छोटा था तो उन्होंने दुर्योधना के पास जाते, उनको भी एजुकेशन means all this has to be learned, the archery, everything. But Dronacharya rejected. He is having a right to teach only for the son of, only for princess. राजाओं को ही सिखाने का अधिकार था उनको, तो उन्होंने रिजेक्ट कर देते. तभी कर्णा दुर्योधना को द्रोणाचार्य को चैलेंज करते. What is the challenge? He is going to have more strengthening than the student which the Dronacharya has going to be learned. मैं तो जो आप किसी को भी सिखा रहे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अर्जुना इज द बेस्ट, ही नोज. मैं एक दिन अर्जुना से भी बढ़कर हो जाता हूं. So he has been challenged to the Guru Dronacharya. So when he came to the arena, he is telling that don't speak in the words. So let's have a arrow and have it. So बातों में मत करो. So use that science of archery. He is going to tell in that arena. The combat between Arjuna and Karna. But Kripacharya or Dronacharya came in between. They know that who is Arjuna. Arjuna is the son of Pandu. That is Pandavas. So who are you? Who was your parentage? आपके माता पिता कौन है? आप कौन हो? This question has been asked to the Karna. Karna को ये क्वेश्चन पूछ लिए. पूछने के बाद he is not having उनके पास तो कुछ आंसर नहीं थे. He is the son of chariot, that is Adhiratha and Radhe. Adhiratha, Radhe. Adhiratha and Radhe. ये तो क्या है? सन ऑफ अधिरथा एंड राधे. इसको पता है. तो एरेना तो राजाओं के लिए अरेंज करे थे. Let us see what happens. This prince who is ready to fight with you is the son of Pritha, that is Pandu, and Pandu, Pritha and Pandu, and Kunti and Pandu, and the scion of Kuru race. Scion of Kuru race. Scion means young member of noble family. He is a young member of noble family. Reveal, O mighty arm, your parentage. आपके पेरेंट्स के बारे में बताओ. And the race rendered illustrious by your birth. It is only after knowing the lineage. Lineage means families from which somebody is descended. किस कौन से फैमिली से आए हो तुम? He is from the Kuru family. Kuru ವಂಶದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥವನು ಯಾರು? ಅರ್ಜುನ. So tell me your family can fight with you for high born princess. यहाँ तो राजा महाराजा राजाओं का ही युद्ध चल रहा है. युद्ध मीन्स प्रदर्शन चल रहा है यहाँ पे. So you know that who is Arjuna. We know that who is Arjuna. But what about you? So combat with unknown adventures. कोई unknown strange आदमी के साथ combat, it is not good because कृपाचार्य know all the rules of the war. युद्ध के पूरे रूल्स कृपाचार्य को पता था. इसीलिए कृपाचार्य को कुलगुरु कृपाचार्य बोल के माने जाते थे. When he heard these words, Karna bent down his head like a lotus under the weight of rainwater. सुनने के बाद तुरंत ही कर्णा ने he bowed his head because he is the son of a chariot, that is Adhiratha and Radhe. ये तो एक chariot का son था. तो how is this possible? ये तो possible है ही नहीं. Because ये तो only it is for the prince. राजाओं के लिए है ये. So he bowed his head like a lotus in a heavy rain. If there is a heavy rain, the lotus is going to be bent down his head like a lotus under the weight of rainwater. जहाँ पानी आए तो लोटस वैसा हो जाता. Like that, Karna bowed his head. दुर्योधना stood up and said, इतना पूरा तो कृपाचार्य ने बता देते, तो तभी दुर्योधना उठ के बताते. If the combat cannot take place merrily, because Karna is not a prince, Duryodhana. Who is Duryodhana? इसी के लिए तो ये युद्ध हुआ। तो इतना सब कुछ कृपाचार्य बताने के बाद दुर्योधना ने खड़े होकर बताए, इफ द कॉम्बैट कैन नॉट टेक प्लेस मेरिली बिकॉज ऑफ कर्णा इज नॉट ए प्रिंस, अगर ये युद्ध नहीं हो रहा इसलिए कि कर्णा एक प्रिंस नहीं है, एक राजा नहीं है। वाई? दैट इज इजीली रेमिडाइड। आई क्राउन कर्णा एज अ किंग ऑफ अंगा। तुरंत ही मैं डिक्लेयर करता हूं कि कर्णा इज अ किंग ऑफ अंगा, अंगा का महाराजा बना देते कर्णा, किंग ऑफ अंगा, अंगा इज द प्लेस। Soon after these words, Duryodhana stood up and said that if the combat is there with the only for the prince, then I declare that Karna is the king of Anga. Anga का महाराजा बना देते तुरंत ही दुर्योधना ने। So why that is I crowned Karna as the king of Anga. He then obtained the assent of the Bhishma and Dhritarashtra, performed all the necessary rites and invested Karna with the sovereignty of the kingdom of Anga, giving him the crown, jewels and the royal insignia. भीष्मा के और अपने पिताजी धृतराष्ट्र के दोनों के भी परमिशन लेके कर्णा को अंगा का महाराजा बना दे। भीष्मा तो वचन से बांधे हुए थे। So whatever Duryodhana has to tell, तो भीष्मा वचन से बांधे हुए थे कि he has to support धृतराष्ट्र। धृतराष्ट्र तो अंधे थे, so दोनों की भी परमिशन लेके दुर्योधना ने कर्णा को अंगा का महाराजा बना देते। At that moment, as the combat between youthful heroes seemed about the commence, the old charioteer, तो उसके बाद दोनों के बीच में युद्ध हो जाता, बराबरी के होते दोनों भी। उसी समय the old charioteer अधिरथा, who was the foster father. Foster father means foster father, साथ करता तंदे, पाल पोस कर बड़ा करते ना, जन्म नहीं देते बल्कि पाल पोस कर बड़ा देते, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फॉस्टर फादर। He is going to be called as a foster father. They are not going to give birth to child, but they look after the child. So इसीलिए उसको फॉस्टर फादर बोलते। वो आके बहुत ही खुश हो गए, बिकॉज दिस सन, ये तो एक चारियोट का बच्चा है। So he has been declared as the king of Anga, who was the foster father of Karna, entered the assembly, staff in hand and quaking with fear. ये तो राजाओं के लिए है, ये तो पता ही था अधिरथा को। अधिरथा इज charioteer of भीष्मा, भीष्मा के रथ चलाने वाले थे अधिरथा में। उसको तो पता था पूरा कौरव और पांडवों का स्टोरी। सो ये तो ओनली फॉर द प्रिंस के लिए है ये, तो यहाँ तो मेरा बेटा प्रवेश करे यहाँ पे, तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट। बहुत डरते डरते आ जाता, डर जो मन में था वही डर हो गया था। ही हैज बीन डिक्लेयर्ड एज द किंग ऑफ अंगा। नो सूनर डिड ही सी हिम देन कर्णा, द न्यूली क्राउन्ड किंग अंगा bowed his head and did humble obeisance in all filial reverence. The old man called him son, embraced him with tears of love, his head already moistened by the water of coronation. भीग गए थे पूरा वाटर ऑफ कोरोनेशन से, मीन्स घबरा गए थे पूरे पसीने से। So he called my son, you have become the king of Anga. So he embraced to his son. So this is the only mistake. Mistake means Karna, Duryodhana has given the empire of Anga. So what Karna has said at the moment, अंगा के राजा डिक्लेयर करने के बाद कर्णा ने क्या बता देते कि सो एनी टाइम आई एम विथ यू, मैं पूरे समय, मेरा पूरा जीवन आपको ही अर्पित करता हूँ. दैट इज द रीजन, दैट इज द ओनली मिस्टेक. कर्णा ने वचन देते था, तो पहले तो पूरा वचन से ही काम चलते थे. सो इफ दे हैव गिवन द वर्ड मीन्स दैट इज फिनिश्ड. दैट इज द रीजन इफ so many mistakes दुर्योधन has made, बहुत सारी गलतियां करते दुर्योधन, फिर भी कर्णा उसके साथ है, because he has given the word that he is going with दुर्योधन. So वही एक वचन से कर्णा always part of a दुर्योधन. So let us see next. No sooner did he see, at this sight, वही एक दृश्य था वहां पे अधिरथा ने आने के बाद, then they embraced his son Bhima, rode with a laughter and said. तो सब होने के बाद भीमा तो ऊपर बैठे थे, तो जोर जोर से बताने लगे, oh he is after all only the son of charioteer. तो ये तो एक मामूली चारियोटर के बेटा है. करना. Take up the driving wife, then as befits the means pure parentage. You are not worthy of death at the hand of Arjuna, nor should you regain Anga as a king. Then you are going to die in the hands of Arjuna. At this outrageous speech, बहुत गुस्सा था कर्णा को ये सुनने के बाद. Means they are going to tell that, oh he is a son of अधिरथा, that is a charioteer. ये तो ये क्या है, एक मामूली charioteer के बेटा है. So he is going to die in the hand of Arjuna, because they know that Arjuna is powerful, but they didn't know that Karna is also more powerful than Arjuna. Really Karna is more powerful than Arjuna, but इंद्रा took his armor. इंद्रा ने उनके कवच ले लेते, and that is next story is there. Let us see. At this outrageous speech, Karna's lips trembled with anguish. बहुत गुस्सा आ जाता कर्णा को पहले ही बहुत गुस्सा था. And he speechlessly looked up at the setting sun with a deep sigh. तो ऊपर बैठे थे उन्होंने, all Bhima, Yudhishthira, Nakula, Sahadeva, only Arjuna is there at the arena. So Karna looked very anguish, very angrily towards the Bhima. Duryodhana broke in indignantly. तो बीच में दुर्योधना बात करता है. What is that word? It is unworthy of you, O Vrikodara, to speak thus. Valor is the hallmark of Kshatriya. Nor it is there no sense in the tracing greater heroes and mighty rivers to their sources. I could give you hundreds of instances of great men of humble birth, and I know backward questions might be asked of your own origin. तुम तो ऐसे प्रश्न पूछने में बहुत ही चतुर हो. Look at this warrior, his good-like form of bearing. इसको देखो यहाँ पे. His armor and earrings and his skill with weapons. इनको देखो, his armor means कवच which it has. कवच तो बर्थ से ही आ जाता करना. Armor and earrings, कवच and earrings. And his skill with weapons. He is very perfect, very skilled with weapon. He is more perfect than Arjuna. Surely there is some mystery about him. तो इसके parentage के बारे में तो कुछ unknown thing होगा. For how could a tiger be born of an antelope? Means what is the meaning of this? Tiger born with antelope means he is very strong. Look at this armor and earrings. It came from from his birth, the kavach which it has. But also he is the son of Charya. इसमें भी कुछ unknown thing होगा. तो इस श्रेष्ठ व्यक्ति ने कैसा चैरियट के सन हो सकता है? हाउ टाइगर कैन बी son of antelope, born of an antelope, unworthy of being king of Anga. Didn't you say? I verily hold him worthy to rule the whole world. You are not having any right to tell like this to Karna because he is the king of Anga. In generous wrath, Duryodhana took Karna in his chariot and drove away. दुर्योधना ने कर्णा को अपने साथ लेके जाता वहां से. The sunset, that is the time of evening, the crowd disappeared in tumult. तुरंत ही crowd क्या हो जाते वहां पे? Disappear हो जाते. There were groups loud in talk under the light of lamps. Some glorifying Arjuna, others Karna. थोड़े लोग कर्णा के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. Others they are going to talk about the Arjuna because the birth of Karna is not known to anyone. कर्णा के birth के बारे में किसी को भी पता नहीं था. दुर्योधना के बारे में how Duryodhana helped and how he made king of Anga. तो ये सब के बारे में बातचीत कर रहे थे वहां पे. After this, we can say that Karna is stronger than Arjuna. वेपन में भी बहुत ही श्रेष्ठ थे अर्जुना से भी करना. But the kavach, because of the kavach which he had, armor and earrings, इसके पास भगवान का दिए हुए आर्मर था और earrings. With that he is not having, उसका अंत ही नहीं था, उसका डेथ ही नहीं था. He cannot die. He cannot die because of that armor. That is the reason Duryodhana is very proud of Karna. So one day, Indra came, the god came and he took the kavach, that is armor, because his son is in necessary of that armor. Agar because of that, Karna is going to be called as he is very famous in giving, not in taking. Complete his life he dedicated to Duryodhana. अपने पूरे जिंदगी दुर्योधन से दे दिए, अपने कवच इंद्र को दे दिए. That is the reason it has been called that दानवीर करना बोलते हो. दान देने में बहुत ही श्रेष्ठ है करना. Indra foresaw that supreme contest was inevitable between his son Arjuna and Karna. Arjuna is going to be called as the son of Indra, and he put on the garb of Brahmana and come to Karna. तो एक दिन इंद्रा ने एक ब्राह्मण का वेश डाल के कर्णा के पास आ जाता. And he put on the garb of Brahman and came to Karna, who was reputed for his charity, means daan dene, and begged of him his earrings and armor. तो ब्राह्मण ने क्या पूछते यहाँ पे? उसका आर्मर एंड इयररिंग्स, उसका कवच और इयररिंग्स. The sun god had already warned Karna in his dream. Sun god. तो सपने में आके पहले ही कर्णा को बता देते कि एक ब्राह्मण का वेश धारण करके इंद्रा ने he is going to come with you to take the armor which you have. Indra would try to deceive him in this manner. Still Karna could not bring himself to refuse any gift that was asked of him. अब तक तो करना कुछ भी refuse ही नहीं करे. Whatever he has been asked, he has given. इसीलिए दानवीर करना बोलते. Hence he cut off the earrings and armor with which he was born and gave them to the Brahmana. तो अपने आर्मर कट दैट सीन वी कांट सी, इट हैज बीन शोन इन द महाभारत में दिखा है, इट इज वेरी पेनफुल व्हेन ही इज रिमूविंग द आर्मर। तो जब भी वो आर्मर निकाल रहे थे, बिकॉज इट इज अटैच्ड टू द हिज बॉडी, when he was born, it came with it. जब करना पैदा हुए थे तब से ही वो आर्मर विथ इट हिम, उसके पास आर्मर था, वैसा ही पैदा हो गया था। सो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सेपरेट फ्रॉम आर्मर फ्रॉम हिज बॉडी, सो दैट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन। जब भी वो आर्मर निकाल रहे थे, हम ऊपर डाले, इफ वी हैव tied it upward our body means it can remove it very easily. Birth से ही आए means it's very difficult to remove that one. So our hand is from all this, our structure came by birth. उसके साथ साथ ही कवच आया था करना को, तो जो साथ में जो बर्थ से ही आता वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है। So when he has been separated with very hardly, वो दृश्य देखने के लिए नहीं होता। सो द कवच विथ द आर्मर विच हैज बीन सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम हिज बॉडी एंड इट हैज बीन गिवन टू द ब्राह्मण, कंप्लीटली इट हैज बीन ब्लड। खुशी खुशी से दे दिए ब्राह्मण को। इंद्र द किंग ऑफ गॉड्स was filled with surprise and joy. After accepting the gift, he praised Karna as having done what no one else would do. तुमने तो जो कोई भी नहीं करते वो दान कर दिए। On this earth nobody can do it. इस पृथ्वी के ऊपर कोई भी नहीं कर सकते। इंद्रा ने बता देते, कोई भी नहीं कर सकते जो आपने किए। So you ask a boon for anything. तो आपने एक कोई भी वरदान पूछ लो, because you have done that thing. पृथ्वी के ऊपर जो कोई भी नहीं कर सकते तो आप करे वो। I am shamed into generosity. Bade Karna asked for any boon he wanted. Then you ask any boon. कुछ भी पूछ लो भगवान इंद्र से। Karna replied, I desire to get your weapon. The Sakti. Sakti means ब्रह्मास्त्र बोलते हैं हिंदी में। Yes, I am ready to give you Sakti, ब्रह्मास्त्र। वो भी एक शर्त के ऊपर देते थे। That ब्रह्मास्त्र is going to be used at only once. That Sakti, it is going to be used only at once. एक ही बार ये ब्रह्मास्त्र यूज हो सकता है आपसे। Afterwards, it's going to come with neither. उसके बाद तुम एक बार यूज करने के बाद तुरंत वो ब्रह्मास्त्र मेरे पास आ जाता है। So only once you can use that Sakti, that is ब्रह्मास्त्र। वो ब्रह्मास्त्र एक ही बार यूज कर सकते। So Karna replied, I desire to get your weapon, that is Sakti, which has the power to kill enemies. Indra granted the boon, but with a faithful promise. He said, you can use this weapon against but one enemy, and it will kill him, whoever he may be. कोई भी रहने दो, whoever he may be. It can kill that person. ये ब्रह्मास्त्र जो कोई भी रहने दो उसको मार देते हैं। बट ओनली वन एनिमी। किसको मारने के लिए चाहिए करना को ब्रह्मास्त्र? अर्जुना को मारने के लिए। बट he has failed in that. The circumstances comes in the Mahabharata war that he used this ब्रह्मास्त्र towards the Katoshkas, that is the son of Bhima. एक राक्षस कुल में पैदा हुआ भीमा के बच्चा, that is Ghatoshkas. He used ब्रह्मास्त्र to kill the Ghatoshkas. That is not given in the textbook. He said you can use this weapon against but one enemy, and it will kill him, whoever he may be. But this killing done, this weapon will no longer be available to you. एक बार उसको यूज करने के बाद आपके पास नहीं रहता, it is going to return to me. With these words, Indra disappeared. इतना बताने के बाद भगवान इंद्र ने गायब हो जाते वहां पे. Then extract from an earlier chapter. इससे पहले how the Karna learned his education from the Guru Parshurama. अपने गुरु I told you when at the age of 11 or 12 he went to Dronacharya to learn the education. तो द्रोणाचार्य ने तो रेफ्यूज कर देते because he is not a Brahmin and Dronacharya he is going to teach only for prince. So after that he wants to learn, so he went to Guru Parshurama. तो उसके बाद द्रोणाचार्य रिफ्यूज करने के बाद तुरंत वो तो यहाँ तो बताए थे he knows that Guru Dronacharya knows that he is the son of Charya, so that is the reason he told lie to the Guru Parshurama. अपने गुरु परशुरामा को झूठ बता देते हैं करना. एक झूठ क्या है? that is he told that he is a Brahmin. अब भाई तो एक chariot के सन हम बोले तो he is not, the Guru is not going to teach him. That is the reason he told lie that he is the son of Brahmin. But afterwards he came to know. Let us see this next extract in the next class. Thank you.